I always thought that I was not physically strong. I am physically strong. I was inspired by a lady who was on the cover of ARP magazine, and she was 62 years old, and she was in excellent shape. When I saw this picture, I knew that was the answer.
What's fun about Jeannie is that her age is just a number for her. I mean, she does what she wants to do and how she wants to do it. Heavy bag work, double end bag, a little bit of speed bag, some mitt work, shadow sparring, footwork drills, all kinds of things.
I had not been used to this kind of training, and this training is arduous.
I'd put her in the ring against anybody as far as her fitness goes.
I will continue boxing until I cannot box anymore.